Good morning, everyone. I think everyone is asleep, so I want to make this short and very clear. I want to talk about happiness. I know it's a huge subject. It's not gonna end by my word or by my talking. Everyone is searching for happiness. People can't find it. People they are not lucky enough to find it. But let me tell you this, and I will make it short as much as possible. Happiness is not something that you get. It's not something that you want to have it. Happiness is with you. You born with happiness. You born to be happy. No one, nothing can make you happy unless you make yourself happy. It's not money. It's not a car. It's not traveling. It's not experience. It's not educations. It's not a trip. It's not this journey in this amazing area. It's not a cake like my birthday that's gonna make my life happy. It's nothing. It's a state of mind. When you believe you are happy, you are happy. When you face your world, when you face your life with a smiling, with trusting yourself, with believing in yourself, believe me, your life gonna be happy. Don't search for your happiness. Your happiness is right here. Your happiness is working here. Your mind visualize, your mind making happiness. Your mind will visualize your happiness in your life. Try to discover your happiness within you. It's not in everyone's hands. It's in your hand. Happiness is within you. It's in this small area and in this area. It's working together. When these two are in the peace, you will be happy. And I think my life is happy. Why not? Because I have everything. I can take a breath. I'm walking. I can see everything. This is happiness. It's not depending on how people or what I'm gonna do or what I will have. Okay? I'm happy with nothing but everything. Happiness is with you. And let's take a moment and drink this tea. I think it's cold enough. I wish you tasted it. It's amazing. So that's morning meditation, like they say.